Kalispera. This is your Executive Vice President of Sales, Holton Buggs. I've got John Secouris here. We're over right now in Rome, and we invite each and every one of you to come to the event that we're going to have there in Athens. I've got some information that is going to rock your world. Get every single person that you can think of. Get their mother, their sister, their brother, their cats, their dog. Get everybody. Make sure that they attend that event. It's going to be a life-changing event. I'm fired up. I'm excited. I can't wait to see you right there in one of my favorite cities in all of the world with one of my favorite people, John Secouris, right there in Athens, Greece.
Παιδιά, ετοιμαστείτε όλοι σας, γιατί αυτό που θα γίνει την Κυριακή θα είναι ανεπανάληπτο. Θα είναι αξέχαστο, μια πολύ μεγάλη μοναδική ευκαιρία με τον κύριο Holton Buggs, ο οποίος θα έρθει τελείως διαφορετικό από πριν, με μεγαλύτερη πληροφορία, με τεράστιο πάθος για να μεταφέρει σε όλους μας το όνειρο της ζωής. Θα τα πούμε πολύ σύντομα την Κυριακή. Γεια σας.
This is Holton Buggs and I approve his message. It's easy, it's simple, it's coffee.